Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.The Man Who Set Himself on Fire. But you can find it on the Amazon platform. Just search for The Man Who Set Himself on Fire by Donald Bogan. D-O-G-E-N is the correct spelling of the last name. All right, guys, so I am continuing the series of how technology can make you money. Obviously, I've been on my soapbox trying to tell you guys exactly how you can earn money just watching YouTubers like myself. But sometimes there's barriers, whether there be credit barriers or whether there be working capital barriers. And so I'm here once again to share with you how you can get a product and make money without spending tons of money, guys, and how you can mark it up to the consumer, and it's a win-win. Remember, a business is only identifying a problem and solving a problem where you receive some type of monetary gain from it. That is a business, people. So let's jump right into it. I want to show you exactly how you can make some quick dollars. We're going to break out the calculator and we're going to see exactly if this method can work. And you want to take advantage of this window when people are getting their income taxes and their stimulus. But enough talking, guys. Let's jump into it. But first, this commercial of how you can join my program and learn how you can make 6 figures in 1 year or sooner. Let's get it.
Do you have a computer, cell phone, or access to the internet? If the answer is yes, then you could start making money today. Learn how to earn multiple lines of income. This is a crash course on how you can quickly start making money overnight. This course will guide you through credit repair, teach you how to get Google certifications in hours, and how to charge $700 an hour for those skills. Not only that, you're getting my how to sell internet videos for free. We are not done yet. If that's not good enough, how about buying homes without getting a loan from the bank? If you're ready to start earning 6 figures, click the link below.
All right, so here we are on the site Exhibit. Now, I did a video on this site a couple of days ago. I'm going to put the link to that video underneath this video right here, in the description of this video right here. Now, Exhibit, they don't pull your credit. Now, guys, straight up, if you used to selling fire sticks for $70, $50, or $100, and that's the only audience you think you can reach, this may not be for you. Right here is going to require marketing, and it's going to require you to expand your horizon. All right. Now, the process Exhibit, again, is going to be in the description of the video. It's a video that I've done showing you how you can sign up. You can see at the top, they give me a $2,500 credit. The way it works is that they give you a credit, you put down the down payment, and you can get that item. The way it can work for you as a streamer, by watching YouTubers such as myself and other YouTubers and learning how you can download apps and IPTV, you can resell this TV. See, they're asking $383, right? This is a 50-inch 4K smart TV. Now, we double that price to $800, so we're gonna round off that $380 to $400. We're gonna double that to $800. We're gonna sell this TV for $800, but here's the caveat: we're gonna add 2 movie apps on there. So they're gonna get all of the TV shows, they're gonna get all of the movies that's still in the theaters. That's our selling point. That's part of marketing. But we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna give them a year of IPTV. We're going to download an IPTV app. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to also leave a link to how you can program a smart TV, right? Whether you're using downloader or file link, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description of this video. So now we want to go ahead and add this to our cart where we have our selling points. Our selling points is that you're getting movies and TV shows, and you're getting a year of cable for free with pay-per-view, NFL package, baseball package, hockey package, NBA package. That alone would save you money, ma'am or sir. That alone would save you from paying $200, $300 a month in cable, and you're getting this 4K 50-inch TV, smart TV, for only $800. Why? Because now people have disposable income. I tell you guys, you got to catch the wave. I'm not going to use my own money, right? I'm going to leverage my credit, and I'm going to use Exhibit as my vendor, and I'm just going to mark it up, but I'm adding value to that price. So if someone go look up their TV, they say, well, this TV is only $200 or $300 in the store. Yeah, but you're not getting a year of cable, huh? And you're not getting movies and TV shows, huh? Right? And so when you're able to explain to people the value that's being added, man, and they have the disposable income to buy it, because right now people buying TVs for $1,200, right? And they're not getting any value from that besides it look pretty. So we want to take advantage of this space. Now, if we look at our total payouts after we put down our due down payment, $79.89, totally we're going to pay out $399.51. So we're going to run that off to $400. So let's do the math right quick, guys. Let's break out the calculator. Okay, and we had $800. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get my money back, right? So right off the bat, I'm charging them $800. I want to make sure I can pay the TV off. All right, so that's $400 I have remaining. Okay, I want to get my down payment back too. Let me get my down payment back. That's my investment. I want to get my investment back. All right, so that's where I'm at right here at 320. Okay, so I'm at 320.11. I can just put the movies and TV shows on there, and that's the profit that I can make after I get my down payment back and after I pay for the TV. But just movies and TV shows, I mean, they probably, you know, it might not be appealing to someone to buy $800 TV just for movies and TV shows. So we want to spice it up. We want to put an IPTV service on there. Now, different IPTV service have different prices for their credits. You can get them as low as $5, as high as $16. I use one where I get it for $8. If you want to know where to get IPTV credits for, just go to my my YouTube page in the search box. Just put IPTV, and you're gonna see a host of IPTV reviews, and their website should be in the description of those videos. Just go through that, click on their website, go there and see what their reseller package have to offer. If not, just inbox me at techinthebathroom@gmail.com, and I can help lead you that way. So mine is $8, and I want to put about 12. So the one I use $8, about 12. I think that's like 160, right? So I want to mine is 320.11 by 160. And boom, look at that right there. So my profit is $160.11. I just made $160.11. When you sell a Fire Stick, right? If you sell it for $100, right? Everybody's selling Fire Stick. But I'm selling TVs, 4K smart TVs with cable, 12 months of cable, right? With movies and TV shows on there. That kind of separate me. Yes, it's $800, but look all what they're getting. It's marketing. And look, if I just know 5 people, multiply that at 5 people, guys, I just made $800. You hear what I'm saying? If I don't sell 8, 10, 11 TVs, if I only sell 5 TVs, I'm recouping my money, right? And I'm making $800. This is how you do business. This is how you leverage credit. This is how you add value. Remember, a business is simply identifying a problem and solving the problem and receiving monetary gain from it. So this is just another example, guys, how you can use what you learn from the streaming community to make money. Now, this might not be for you if you're not one to market it. If you're not a salesperson, then, you know, hey, this is not for you, man. So don't leave a comment and say who's going to buy $800 TV and all of that. People, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I sell big items. Why? Because I add value to people's lives. Let's go back into the studio, guys. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, Zibit is the site that I've been highlighting. They can help you make money if you just be creative in the streaming community. Just use what you already know. They have Fire Sticks. A lot of times you try to find Fire Sticks, and when they go on sale or something like that, you only can buy 2 or 3 at a time. You could go on here. I showed in the video. You can go in here. You can order 10 Fire Sticks, right? Mark it up, make your money back. Look, you can use your credit limit with them, put down their down payment, right? And have a business. I'm gonna say it again, have a business, not a side hustle, because a side hustle is something that you do every now and then. This can be replicated over and over again. You can change this into a business model. This is one of the many ways you can have multiple lines of income. I recommend that you go ahead and get that course that we're offering, guys. I show you exactly how you can build your credit, right? Not only can you build and repair your credit, and you can use your credit to make money, but you can also do the things in the module 1 where you can charge people to do that. We just don't stop there, guys. Remember, I'm still selling hotspots, and the video where I show people how to sell hotspots is 2 videos. We charge $100 for that. I throw that in for free to that course. Another thing that we're going to do in that course, and I'm going to show you how you can get Google certifications and how you can go ahead and you can bring that to certain places and certain clients that are willing and able to pay you up to $700 if you're willing to build your portfolio. Now, when I say $700, I'm not talking about $700 per project. I'm talking about per hour if you're willing to build your portfolio, but you have many certifications to choose from. That's in that module. And also I'm showing you in the last module exactly what I'm doing currently to make money, so you can see exactly how I made over 6 figures last year. Okay, and what I'm doing next. I'm in the process of doing next with real estate, and how I'm able to acquire homes without going to the banks, and I can do this process over and over and over again. Now, that's an investment into yourself. There's many ways for you to make money out there, guys. Just remember that you guys, you can be successful. You don't have to depend on anyone. You have the knowledge, you have the vehicles, we have technology. You just got to be creative. Take advantage of it. It's your boy Taking the Badge. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. All the information you need is going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.